Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, January 9th, 2019. It's 3:51 p.m., about 10 minutes before the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on my right. On my left is the time and sales, the E-mini S&P trading at 25.8075. Pretty good day today for the Autotrader. First up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. This is the one with the $2,000 goal. And here's the entire equity graph here. It drew down twice. First time about 450 or 2.25 per contract, about the same the second time. And then late in the morning's part of the session, it came back with these two back-to-back winners and propelled it to its goal and had no slippage. In contrast, the DAX with the higher profit goal of 3,500 ended up making an equity high of about 2,500 and then actually got stopped out. Okay, the DAX on a Super 6 tick with a higher time frame filter of Super 10 has actually been working out. The goal on this is 2,050, and so this hit its goal and had a tick of slippage. And you can kind of see the entire equity curve here. It looks pretty good. Not much of a drawdown. Only about $450, just a couple $100 per contract, so that's pretty good. And overall hitting its goal. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart did 1580 for the day, and the daily goal on this is 1550, so positive slippage. Started off with a couple of losers here and drew down about $800 or $400 per contract, and then came back with these two back-to-back winners, which brought it up to its daily goal, which is 1550. So a little bit of positive slippage. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 150 Heikin-Ashi chart did 1245 for the day, and the goal on this is 1250. This is using our stop loss calculation mode. Anyway, this had pretty solid performance today. Okay, the crude on a Super 7 tick chart drew down about $600 or $300 per contract, and then made it all back and hit its goal in a single trade here. This is trading two contracts, and the goal is 1,200, so just one tick of slippage. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a regular 5 Renko charts, two winning trades back to back, did 825, and the goal on this is 800, so a couple ticks positive slippage. It's a limit order with a 4-tick pullback, trading two contracts. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a Super 6 tick that starts trading at 12:30 noon had a total of 4 trades, one very small loser here. You can see it on the equity curve. And this hit its goal, I believe, of 750 and had positive slippage. This is also using our line break logic, and you can see the trades here. Pretty nice finish. Okay, next up is this E-mini S&P on a Super 4 tick. 725 goal, 650 stop loss, and a limit order with a 1-tick pullback. First target is 12 ticks. This is interesting here because the drawdown on this chart looks to be about $575, so it came really close to getting stopped out, but it didn't get stopped out. And that's one of the things automated trading brings to the table, is if you were down $500, $550, you might give up on the day. Where here, you know, with automated trading, you set your loss limit, and if it doesn't get hit, it's okay to keep going because you're following your rules. And in this case, it came back and ultimately hit its goal. So even though this was pretty active, it came back and finished, you know, as a day where it hit its goal. So really positive day in spite of the drawdown. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching today.